Thanks OmniSend for sponsoring this video.
Hi and welcome back to the channel, girl. Today we are talking all things digital products. I'm not going to go on and on about the intro in today's video because this is a very important topic and I just want to cut straight to the chase, cut out the fluff and go straight to where the money is. Now, everyone on the internet is saying launch a digital product, digital products make a lot of money. And I know a lot of women in this community have sent me emails and messages saying, okay, but like what digital product should I launch though? Everyone is saying I should launch digital product. I can make $1,000 in a day. I can make $5,000 in a month, but what digital product should I launch? What are the high-paying digital products? And that is why my team and I have spent hours doing a lot of research and figuring out what the highest paying digital products are for 2025. We have done research across multiple industries to let you know what kinds of digital products specifically bring in the big dollars and what kinds of digital products could actually help you generate enough money to leave your 9-to-5 if that's your goal. So in today's video, I have 10 digital product ideas for you. I'm going to tell you what the digital products are, how to sell the digital product, what platforms you need to create them on, and what platforms you need to sell them on. So this is a super packed and juicy video. It's not for your entertainment, so I'm not going to be doing any goofy faces or jumping around. No, like we're going straight to business in this video. So get comfortable and watch this video like you're watching something that you're going to take action on, okay? Don't watch it like one of the side hustle YouTube videos you just watch to see, hey, what is this person saying again? What am I gonna get? No, like watch it like you're ready to take action because that's the only way you would see real results. So the first digital product that we have found that brings in a lot of money, what I like to call a cash cow, is a hyper-specific budget template. If you're someone who already budgets for your family, for example, and you know your way around Excel, and you've been thinking of how to make extra money, but you have this skill in your hands, you might not even see it as a skill. You might think it's something you just do to stay on track with your family expenses, with your kids' expenses, but there are people who don't know how to do this one thing that you have done. So if you're thinking of making money online through digital product, one good digital product that you can start selling is your hyper-specific budget template. I'm saying hyper-specific because generic budget templates already exist, okay? We have tools, we have apps, we have platforms like YNAB, but hyper-specific ones like budget templates for single moms with kids, or budget templates for a Christian married couple, or budget templates for families with teenagers who have 50-11 sport activities and 50-11 needs. Like if you create a very specific budget template like that, you will be meeting a specific person's needs, and when you meet people's needs, that is how you get to the bag, okay? So that's the first digital product that you can launch. And you might ask yourself, okay, but like who's gonna buy my budget template? Where would I find people to buy my budget template? We'll talk about that later in the video. I have a very specific hack for you, one that people don't talk about enough, but is the real way that you can get to the bag with digital products. The second idea is for my travel girlies. One thing about me, I'm going to travel. In fact, I'm filming this video right now from Dubai. I don't know if you can see the skyline. It's getting dark because the sun is going down, but I'm always on the road. I know you think I'm only in my studio making these videos for you, but I have a whole life outside of this YouTube channel. And one of the things that I do in my real life is that I travel a lot, sometimes solo, sometimes with bae. Now, if you're a woman who travels solo, I want you to know that there's a gap in the market, baby. There are a lot of women who want to travel solo. They want to see the world, but they're scared. They are concerned about their safety. And so because of this, a lot of women actually don't travel, not because they don't want to travel or because they don't have the budget, but because they're worried about their safety. What you can do is fill this gap by making a checklist of things people should do, especially maybe women, things women should do to keep themselves safe in specific countries. Now, let me tell you something. There's someone I featured on the channel in one of the podcast episodes, and this is how she became a millionaire. She didn't just make $1,000 a day or $5,000 a day. She landed in Forbes. I'm gonna put her Forbes feature. I'm gonna put the podcast episode. You can watch that after this video. She literally teaches solo women how to travel, and she has generated 7 figures. I'm not talking $1,000. I'm not talking $10 or $100,000. I'm talking millions. And she's been featured in Forbes and she's been featured in CNN because of this thing. So if you're someone who's been thinking of doing this, but you're just sitting on the idea, you need to watch that episode because she started from scratch with like a notebook and her checklist. And now she has built this thing into like an educational empire. She has courses, she has workshops, she has all kinds of things teaching people how to solo travel. Now, if you're thinking, oh my gosh, I want to launch a digital product like maybe a budget tracker or a checklist for travelers like this, and you're like, how on earth do people get anyone to click on the product, to find the product, to even do anything that would lead to putting money in your bank account for the digital product that you created? I'm glad you asked. The secret to getting people to click and pay for your digital product is having an email list. And beyond an email list, the real secret is to have a solid email platform where you can create a sequence of emails that would end up being a funnel to your digital product. Now, if everything I've just said sounds like gibberish, give me your hand. I'm gonna hold your hand when I say this. I'm gonna walk you through this step by step so you understand exactly what I'm saying. Okay, boom. You have a digital product that you wanna create and sell. It could be one of the 2 I've mentioned now. It could be one of the other 8 I'm about to mention, because out of the 10 on this list, we have found that the highest paying one and the one that has the most demand is number 9. And I'm excited to share all 10 of them with you, but number 9 is the one that people desperately need. But regardless of the one you choose on this list, one thing you want to be able to do is to get in front of people who can possibly buy from you. And the best way to get in front of buyers is through an email sequence. And you might be thinking, what on earth is an email sequence? Okay, so say you have just 50 followers on Instagram, or 100, or maybe you have followers on TikTok, or maybe you even just have a LinkedIn profile and you only have your LinkedIn network. Once you decide to launch a digital product, the next thing you want to do is create an MVP version of your digital product. So a minimum viable product of the main digital product. What does that even mean? So for example, if your digital product is a budget, a hyper specific budget, what you want to do is make a post on social media letting people know how you budget and how it's helped your family. It's through an email sequence. And if you're going to create an email sequence, you need an email marketing platform, okay? You don't have to do this from scratch by yourself using something like Gmail. No, this is 2025, girl. Let me put you on. There's something called email platforms where you can actually send out bulk emails to many people who would then get to see your product or what it is that you sell, whether that's digital or even an e-commerce or physical product. Now, there are a couple of email platforms on the market, but one that my team and I just found and actually ended up speaking with their team because of how incredible they are is called OmniSend. And there's so many email platforms I could recommend to you, but I personally recommend OmniSend because that's what all your faves are using. That's what most professionals use, especially when what you're selling is a product, okay? And there are 2 ways to sign up to OmniSend if you want to sell your digital product. One is through the free version and the other is obviously through the paid version. And one thing about it, I go out of my way to recommend credible companies to you. However, most of them are not 100% free, okay? Because you're trying to make money using business tools, and those business tools are businesses too. So they also want to get paid, but I try to recommend things that are less than $100. I think this is somewhere between $40 and $60. So it's affordable. So if you're thinking, how can I promote these digital products Vanessa is talking about? OmniSend is how. So let's move on to the third digital product idea that can generate a lot of money in your bank account. Number 3 is AI generated printable art. I know you don't have to be an artist these days to create art that would stop people in their track, get their attention, and have them pulling out their cards ready to pay for your art. I know this is controversial a little bit because artists really exist. Like, they're real artists who put their hearts and their souls into what they create. But artificial intelligence is sort of here to stay. Like, if you don't create digital art with the digital art AI tools that exist, other people will create it. Like, it's here to stay, right? And a lot of people are saying, oh, AI is stealing jobs. AI is only going to steal jobs from people who don't know how to use AI to create jobs. Catch that. Let that sink in. If you're someone who is forward thinking and you are also creative, but you're not someone who can create art from scratch, but you can create art with tools, then AI digital art might be the way to go because people are making a lot of money. And I'm just here to share with you the highest paying digital product ideas, okay? Number four is to create a digital vision board template. Now, I love vision boards. I don't know if I've said this on the channel before, but I created a vision board in 2021 before I started this channel. And even though I know that it's God that has given me everything that I've ever built, whether it's this channel, my real estate portfolio, my career before this, my marriage, my wedding, my house, like all the things I've trusted God for that He's provided, I've also created a vision board just to keep me focused on what my vision is, what I'm praying for, and what I'm working toward. Now, if you're someone who's been like, oh, I've used vision boards, they've worked for me, and how am I gonna monetize this because my vision board is literally in my office, it's physical. Well, you can actually create a digital version of a vision board template. If you have a very specific way that you do your vision board that makes them even more effective than the average vision board, then what you can do is begin to monetize it, okay? You can monetize it and you can promote it through emails using like OmniSend or whatever email platform you choose to use. Number five is for a group of people who are getting increasingly popular. I'm talking about homeschooling parents, okay? People are deciding to homeschool their kids for different reasons. And because of this decision that a lot of people are making, there's a rise in demand for homeschool resources and products. And one of the things that apparently is selling fast online, especially on platforms like Etsy and even people's Shopify stores, is homeschool daily planners, okay? Some people have 5 kids, some people have 6 kids, some people are out here with 8 kids, and they're trying to homeschool their kids. But to be able to pull something like that off, you have to be intentional about planning. And a lot of people are intentional, but they don't have the resources, and that is where you come in. Your job will be to create daily planners for homeschooling parents to keep them organized with the tasks that they have to perform for their kids so that they can thrive in their homeschooling environment, okay? Number 6 is a digital pregnancy journal. I mean, it goes without saying. There's someone who I follow on Instagram who has created a whole 7-figure business out of this. Her business is called Ivory Paper Co. Obviously, she didn't create it overnight and it's not digital, but I'm talking about the fact that you can make a digital version of this. So she started a journal company when she was pregnant at 22, and she was just journaling through her journey of pregnancy, postpartum, and eventually she decided to create a business out of journals. Now, you can create journals as well, but digital journals, you can just put prompt for expecting mothers, you can put scripture, you can put words of encouragement. Postpartum and pregnancy are not the easiest things, but when people are able to create resources that make the lives of moms better, you not only get to the bag, but you also make an impact. Number 7. Now, this is one of the highest paying ones on this list because it's one of the most popular, and it will be for obvious reasons in a second. Number 7 is to create industry specific resume template. Now, you might be at a job right now that you hate. Your boss is stressing you out. You want to quit. That's why you're watching Vanessa's videos. That's why you're watching all these videos on YouTube. But let me tell you something. Even though you hate that job, you specifically, you hate that job, there are loads of people who want to be in your position. They want the job that you have, and you have the job, and you had a resume that got you into the job. Now, you can monetize this. You can monetize this through your resume template. This one is high paying, not because it's a high ticket product, but because there's a lot of demand, especially if you're in an industry that a lot of people want to get into. You might think nobody wants your job, but a lot of people do. Maybe when they get in, they will want to quit just like you. But for now, there are loads of people who want the job that you have. And if you can create a resume template specifically that got you into the job you have, you can monetize this through LinkedIn. Go on to LinkedIn, start creating posts about your industry, and start monetizing through a resume template for your specific industry. Number 8 is to create a scripture memory journal. Number 9 is to create a digital meal planner for picky eaters. Now, let me tell you something. Motherhood has hands, okay? A lot of moms are struggling to feed their kids, and if you have a solution, maybe because you're a nutritionist or you have some kind of background that has taught you how to feed kids in a way that's healthy, but also in a way that's actually appealing to children, you're sitting on a gold mine, because this is one of the highest paying digital products. A lot of food bloggers have started releasing digital products in this space. A lot of nutritionists have released in this space. Even child psychology experts talk about food for kids, because that is a big problem. And when there's a big problem, there's a big opportunity to solve that problem and get to the bag. And number 10 is to create a digital prayer wall for women of faith. You can just put like the prayer points into different categories, put in prompts that women can fill in while they're praying, and prompts that will help them document their prayer journey to get to where God wants them to be. These are the 10 digital product ideas I have for you in today's video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your tribe, and I would see you in the next one. Remember that I'm rooting for you, so please do not stop rooting for yourself. And until next time, please take care